Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious plum and blueberry galette. This delicious pie has a thick crust that is perfect served warm with a side of vanilla ice cream. But before we get started, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post new videos. So to get started, I have 6 red plums and I'm just going to peel and slice these. So into a small saucepan, I'm going to add my 6 plums, which I've sliced into pieces, and 1 cup of fresh blueberries. And to that, I'm going to add a ½ cup of brown sugar. Squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon juice. And about a ½ teaspoon of apple pie spice. And the reason why I'm using apple pie spice is because it has cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice, which is all the spices that I would use for this anyways. Then I'm gonna let this reduce over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, you'll notice that the sauce has thickened into syrup-like consistency. Now you want to set this aside and let it cool completely. Now to make the crust, here I'm going to add 1 cup of Bisquick. I'm using baking mix, a pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I've diced into pieces. What you want to do is with your hands, or if you have a dough cutter, just kind of mix the butter and the flour together so that it resembles really small crumbs. Add 1 egg, ¼ cup of water. And now that that has come together, I'm gonna add the other cup of Bisquick. I'm gonna form it together with my hands. Now I'm gonna place a piece of parchment paper on my counter. Throw my dough onto there. I'm gonna grab my rolling pin and flatten that out to about a ¼ inch thick. Now that I've rolled this out about a ¼ inch thick, I'm going to measure the diameter. This is exactly 12 inches in diameter. So now I'm going to grab my cooled plum and berry sauce filling, and I'm just going to let most of the liquid drip out and try to add all the fruit in the center. Then after it's baked, you can pour whatever remaining sauce you have over it. Now I'm just going to spread this out a little bit. You want to leave a few inches of space to fold that over because that's the whole point of a galette. This is a rustic galette, so it does not have to be perfect at all. Now the great thing about doing this on parchment paper is that you can just grab it and transfer it onto your baking sheet. Now I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
So this is the galette after it has came out the oven and cool.
What are you, an owl?
Alright, I'm gonna give this a try. Look at that crust. It is perfect. This would go perfect with the side of vanilla ice cream because the crust is so thick and almost cake-like, and the vanilla ice cream melting in here mixing with the berries and plum, it would just be such a great combination. Thank you guys for watching my video on how to make this delicious plum berry galette. I will be bringing you guys pie recipes the whole month of September, so make sure you click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Also, check out these other videos and check out my blog where I have written step-by-step instructions and precise measurements for this recipe and all my other recipes.